Kyber Network DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Kyber Network is a decentralized liquidity protocol that powers instant and secure token swaps across various applications. After using it extensively, I can say that it's a game changer for both traders and developers in the DeFi space. The platform was designed to solve a major issue in DeFi: fragmented liquidity. Instead of relying on a single liquidity pool, Kyber aggregates liquidity from multiple sources to ensure users always get the best rates for their swaps. It's ideal for anyone actively involved in DeFi, whether you're a trader looking for efficient token swaps or a developer integrating decentralized liquidity into your project. One of the standout features of Kyber Network is Kyber Swap, the platform's user-friendly interface that allows seamless token swaps across different networks like Ethereum, Polygon, and Avalanche. Unlike many DEXs, Kyber Swap doesn't just match your trade within one pool. It searches across multiple liquidity protocols to find the best possible rates, saving you time and maximizing your returns. This is particularly beneficial for high-volume traders who want to minimize slippage and reduce gas fees. For developers, Kyber Network offers Kyber Swap APIs and SDKs, which make integrating decentralized liquidity into your dApps straightforward. If you're building DeFi apps, Kyber is a solid option because it gives you access to aggregated liquidity from various sources without having to manage multiple integrations yourself. This means faster go-to-market times and less technical complexity. Another key feature is dynamic fees, an innovative approach to improving liquidity provider incentives. Unlike traditional AMMs, Kyber's dynamic fee model adjusts fees based on market conditions, reducing impermanent loss for liquidity providers while ensuring traders get competitive rates. This is crucial for sustaining healthy liquidity in the long term. From a user perspective, the multi-chain support is a huge plus. You can swap tokens on major chains without the hassle of bridging assets manually. During my experience, the transactions were fast, secure, and hassle-free. The platform also offers limit orders, which is not a common feature on most DEXs, allowing users to set desired price levels and trade more strategically. Overall, Kyber Network is more than just a DEX aggregator. It's a comprehensive liquidity solution for the DeFi ecosystem. It's well-suited for traders looking for optimal swap rates and developers seeking to integrate decentralized liquidity seamlessly. If you're active in DeFi, Kyber is a must-try platform that delivers both efficiency and reliability.